In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a debit card to your Amazon account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Amazon website. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can do this by clicking on the Account and Lists option, which you'll find in the top right corner of the homepage. That's where everything we need begins. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to the Your Payments section. To do this, look for the option labeled Your Payments, which falls under the Ordering and Shopping Preferences area. Go ahead and click on that. This section allows you to manage all your payment methods, so it's very important. Now that you are in the Your Payments page, you'll see a tab that says Wallet. Click on that. Here, you'll find all the current payment methods linked to your account. If there are any old debit or credit cards you want to remove, you can click on the card you'd like to delete to expand its details. But our focus today is on adding a new debit card, so let's move forward. Look for the option labeled Add Payment Method. This button will allow you to start the process of adding a new card. Click on that, and you will be directed to a new screen. Next, you'll want to locate the section that mentions credit or debit cards. There, you will see the option that says Add Credit or Debit Card. Click on that option too. At this point, you are almost done. Now you're ready to fill in the details of your debit card. Be sure to enter your card number, expiration date, and any other required information. This is where you need to double-check that your information is accurate to avoid any payment issues later on. Once you've filled in everything, there should be an option to confirm your new debit card. Go ahead and hit that. After confirming your new debit card, Amazon will register it to your account. This means you can now use this card for any purchases you wish to make in the future. It's a quick process, and before you know it, you'll be ready to shop without any hitches. If at any point you run into trouble or something doesn't seem to be working right, don't hesitate to look for support through Amazon's Help section or reach out to their customer service for assistance. They have plenty of resources to help you out. And that's it. You've successfully added your debit card to your Amazon account. Now you can go ahead and shop for all your favorite items, hassle-free. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy shopping!